So I thought that the fall would mean that there's less problems with pests on my plants. I went all summer without any aphids, and now look, my Christmas lima bean plants are all covered in aphids. And there's a little ant there. See him going? A little ant taking care of them because I know they love to eat them. So, you know, I had the choice. Now the whole plant isn't quite as devastated. There's parts of it that don't have very much, like up here. But it's basically everywhere the plant is trying to grow. And for your reference, this is what the beans look like after they've been harvested. Really, really pretty deep red color. Just so gorgeous. They're also tasty, but they're just so pretty. So I'm not going to do anything about them because this was really a test run for these plants, and I'm not too worried about getting enough for like even a meal. I want to use the seeds again next year, and so I'm really not going to do anything to treat it. I got plenty of seeds for next year, and it's just another lesson learned for the garden. So tell me what pests you're seeing this fall that you hadn't expected, and how are you dealing with them? Or are you like me and just, I don't want to call anybody else lazy, but in my case, lazy and just don't care enough to take action. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you aren't already, and otherwise, I will see you next time.